Hi, everyone. I am Kaustav. I am one of the co-founders and CEO of Paradigm. And today I'm going to talk about how to use AI in analytics engineering. So before I kind of move forward, just like a show of hands, how many of you are analytics engineers or run teams of analytics engineers? OK, I'm speaking to the crowd. OK, great. Awesome. So I think this whole presentation was sort of born out of our own personal experience trying to roll out AI within a lot of data-driven organizations and how they would want to use AI as part of their analytics engineering. So most of the stuff that I'm going to talk about here is basically learnings that we have received. And the next slide is probably the only slide that you'll see about us. The rest of the presentation is pretty technology agnostic and is more about how you can use AI within your organizations or employ AI within your analytics organizations, and what are some of the things that you can take care of as you kind of go through this journey from today and into the future. Cool. So we are founded by early DBT adopters, and how we brand ourselves today is we are cursor for data. And that's because we want to give analytics engineers a cloud-based environment where you can do all your data engineering and analytics engineering work using AI, and so that you can move faster, almost 10x faster, and you are able to run state-aware DBT pipelines. So that's pretty much what we do. That's our bread and butter, and that's from where all of the learnings that we've come across has been formed. Awesome. How many of you have seen the movie Air? Anyone? So there is a part in that movie Air where there is someone from Nike presents a shoe to Michael Jordan, not yet to be famous, and he says a shoe is not a shoe until someone steps into it. And that's the main assumption I kind of take when it comes to working with AI tools or AI frameworks and things like that. Because at the end of the day, AI are just tools. These are just tools that are being produced and that are available to us, but you have the power to do great things with it. And I think that's the main thing that I think you guys need to kind of get away with it today, is that ultimately what you are getting, what you have access to is tools. And what you do with it will define what benefits you get out of it and what's the best way to get benefits out of it. So when we kind of think about AI, the most important part of an AI is an AI prompt. I think at the end of the day, you prompt the AI to do something for you. And the way we think about it, there are 4 layers to it. The topmost layer is you, all of you sitting here. You are the topmost layer because you define what you want. And ultimately, you get to say what you want to do with the stuff. The second layer is the user prompt, which is that's what you define as the specifications as you want to bring as part of your desired and contextual output. Because ultimately, you have gotten the skills, you have the business context, you have the expertise, and now you are bringing that as part of your prompt. The third piece is user-defined rules. This is your specific business context. AI models do not really have any knowledge of how data works within your organization, or what are the key pitfalls of that. Are you going to